Hi, my name is Aro. This is my implementation of CS50’s project 5 traffic. It is an image recognition AI for German traffic signs from the GTSRB dataset. How it works, it first loads in using this piece of code right here. It loads in these images of traffic signs. As you can see, they're quite blurry, which can be hard for a machine to recognize from. And once it's done loading, it starts like learning this. It'll hopefully, for example, know that this is traffic sign number 17 and this is traffic sign number 25. After it is done learning, I'm gonna show it a batch of these traffic signs, and my code will tell us how well it did. Well, without further ado, let's see how well it works. So I'm gonna do I'm telling it to use this GTSRB database, which is loading on my computer right here. It is now loading in the images. Ignore the error message. It's because I have an integrated graphics card. And now, as you can see, it's learning. Its accuracy increases every time. Every 500 images, it tells me how well it did. First time it did, well, quite good for a machine, 42%, meaning it got a little under a half of the signs right. But as you can see, even 3 out of 10, like lessons, I like to call them lessons, in it already has over 90% of the images correct. Right now, all we can do is wait while it teaches itself. I have written down my how I came to just this neural network setup in this README.md. I'll probably link it down below if you're interested. But yeah, I think it's starting. It's doing quite well already. Not that much improvement anymore. Yeah, this is the final lesson, and now it'll do the test. Yeah, I can't really show this to you visually, but yeah, here are the results for the final test. So for 333 images it has never seen before, it got over 99% of them correctly, which is I think pretty great. So yeah, I don't know what I'm supposed to show in this video, but here is my code running, I guess. Yeah, as you can see, my AI did quite well, and goodbye.